adventure. It's good to be back, kids. This is Teacher Lynn from Kindergarten 2. Are you excited to learn more about nature around us?
Harmful animals or animals that is dangerous for human. So these are the examples of animals that are harmful. Let's name it one by one. Please follow Teacher Lynn. Everybody say bee, bee, snake, snake, scorpion, scorpion, spider, spider. Now, write the first letters of the words in the space. So this one, it's a B. How do you spell B? It's B-double-E. So what is the beginning letter of B? It's letter B. Next, snake. How do you spell the word snake? Everybody follow Teacher Lynn. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. So what is the beginning letter of snake? S. Very good. Okay, let's proceed with the third picture. It's a scorpion. Can you help Teacher Lynn spell the word scorpion? Everybody say S-C-O-R-P-I-O-N. Scorpion. So what is the beginning letter of scorpion? Letter S. Very good. And the last picture that we have here is a spider. Can you help me spell the word spider? S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Very good. So what is the beginning letter of spider? S. That is right. Okay, so good job, kids.
Good job, kids. You did great. See you in the next video. Bye.